How's it going, guys? Great day today. I'm gonna go ahead and make this video now. Just wrapped up my last trade, 5 for 5 today. There were so many great setups. Um, so let's dive right into it. Plenty of opportunity today, like I said, and plenty of opportunity tomorrow. First trade today was on TSM. I was eyeing this at the open. It had this 30-minute falling wedge. Soxel did too. Soxel the ETF for 3 times bull shares for chips. So, anyways. This looks good for tomorrow, if I'm being honest. But I took this on the 5 minute. Saw it in the morning. We had a nice pullback. Clear. I'm just going to clear these drawings just for now. At the open, I went ahead and took this pullback to the fibs, and I kind of just rode these up. I want to say I sold at 100, so we got close to 100, and I think this is where I sold in this area. I probably should have held a little bit longer. We had this bull flag, and that started once that broke out. But I got, I think, 50-75% on this trade, so I was pretty happy about that. Second trade was SNOW. This one was just another setup that you'll see me take quite a bit. It was just a simple consolidation setup, and once we're riding this EMA, I'll just pull up the above the EMAs and just break out at open, started consolidating, took calls. I think on this candle right here, and I sold. Let's see, right at resistance. So, and ended up rejecting perfectly. So it was right at that 184.5 mark is where I sold. Sorry, it was higher than that. 180. It was the 185 resistance right here. You can see we were kind of ticking it. I think I sold on this inverse hammer right here. So it wasn't the biggest move. However, I think I got around 20% on it. Snow calls didn't move as much as I thought they would. However, still got a decent move. Third chart of the day was on Tesla. I was all over this. I was looking forward to this all day. I'm sorry, yesterday, all day today. This is your perfect setup. Your trend line, rejection, another rejection. I love it when we get a rejection before the breakout. It lets me know this trend line is valid. I was kind of scared because I didn't think we were going to get a retest, but then we had a huge SPY dump. So we got that perfect retest right here. Really no reason not to take that. You're entering right at your stop loss. We ticked it and just whoop. And you can see exactly where I sold. I've talked about this in videos in the past. On these trend lines, I like to just sell at the top of the trend. It's that easy. So perfect. I mean, study this. This is your perfect breakout, retest, stop at top of trend. That's all you could ask for right there. That is an A+ setup that I will take any day. I think this paid 50-75% again. These were all pretty big movers. We got lots of range today. Fourth trade of the day, my last two trades were on SPY. This was a trade that it's one of my favorite type of setups. Let's see if I can explain this pretty well. Let me go ahead and remove those volume bars. It's when we have a trend line on the 5 minutes, something like this. You can see this trend line starts right here. One thing you'll see, I never like drawing trend lines from bottom or top of trends. Anyways, we have a candle right here. We then grab a higher low and one more higher low. We break down. What I love for these retests, I like it when it's later on in the day. So this is about a half an hour later, and this was also a great part about this setup. It lined up perfectly with the fibs, giving me extra conviction. I was able to enter pretty much at the top, right at 427.8. I did leave a little bit on the table here because usually with these setups, I'll go ahead and I'll just draw fibs from here to here. And you could see we bounced around a little at these fibs and then ended up dumping. However, I was out. I think on this candle right here. So I did get in a little bit on this wick. I took a 0 day on this, so I was pretty excited because those will move quick, especially after 10 a.m. I think I got around 35% on this one, so that was dope. Last trade, this is the one I just closed out. Hopefully SPY will stop running. I was noticing these lower lows on SPY, and we also had a bit of a lower high. Another reason why I took these because there's a lot of bullish setups going in tomorrow, so I thought, well, maybe we'll pump to end the day. I was honestly surprised how strong the market was, and then you had SPY really struggling. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but this is a pretty straightforward setup. Same thing here. I went ahead and drew this trend line from right here, and then we got another lower low. and a third lower low. Once we get this third lower low, that's when I'm eyeing it. We have high right here, another high right here, and we have that third rejection right here. I went ahead and entered on these dojis. You can see this kind of little bull flag here. Dojis in a breakout, I'm entered on those dojis because dojis usually let you know consolidation, some sort of bull or bear flag before the larger move. You can see it really hasn't moved much since. However, I took 0 days, so if I was able to get in around 427.3 and sell on this little wick right here, that's why I just stopped this video. So that's still around 40-cent move. That's enough for 15-20%. I wanted to enter in this falling wedge. However, it just kind of moved a little too quick for me. I wasn't ready, to be honest. And the reason why I sold here is because of this. Pretty straightforward. Good. This has been a high right here. So I could hold this for longer, but since it is nearing the last hour of the day, I don't like trading in the last hour. So yeah, that's really the only reason why I sold. I was happy it's a 0 day. There's only, like I said, an hour left in the day, so I want to get rid of it quick. So that's it for me today. Pretty straightforward setups, lots of great opportunities. Been posting quite a bit of charts to my Twitter on things I'm watching tomorrow. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick preview. EMPH, 30-minute. I don't think I've ever played this one, so I'm looking forward to that. Nice 30-minute setup right there. I'm eyeing right now consolidation setup, so I want to find something that has been ripping over the past couple weeks, and I want to find a consolidation before the next move up. TLTR right there. AAL has a pretty nice setup. And then I'm going to go ahead HD this daily. I would love to play this. Hopefully this doesn't break out because I don't have a position yet. This has a perfect daily setup. You can see it has this huge gap right there. And then chip names, I don't think we're quite done yet. AMD can definitely start moving again. TSM still has this falling wedge that you can see further breakout. Same with Rivian. And that's it that I have on the top of my mind. MRBL might be another one. I think we can get something going there. So I'll be posting more charts tonight. Sorry I didn't get any video out yesterday on my trades. It was for no particular reason other than I was sweating like 4 parlays and I didn't want to. I was lazy. Anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys had a good